In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through Hostinger's platform efficiently. Whether you're a novice or someone looking to brush up on the basics, we'll cover the essentials to get you comfortable with the interface. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger homepage. You may already have this bookmarked, but if not, just type in the URL directly. Being on the homepage is crucial as it serves as your main hub to access all of Hostinger's features. Take a moment to absorb the layout. Familiarizing yourself with this page will make future navigation more intuitive. Once you're at the home page, you're ready to move forward. Click on the highlighted feature that immediately catches your eye. This highlighted area is a gateway to various tools and services that Hostinger offers. By clicking here, you'll be able to see what's currently trending and which tools might be most beneficial for your needs. As you explore, remember to take mental notes of any features that spark your interest. These are often carefully curated to enhance user experience. Now, the next step is to adjust the visibility settings of certain elements on your dashboard. Click on the visibility feature you'll find here. Adjusting visibility is key to customizing your interface. It allows you to decide which elements you want immediately on display and which ones you might prefer to tuck away until needed. This personalization not only helps in decluttering your workspace, but also boosts your productivity by keeping relevant tools front and center. While navigating, keep an eye out for any additional prompts or pop-ups that may appear. These often provide helpful tips or updates about new features that could enrich your experience. Hostinger frequently updates its platform, so it's always good to stay informed about these changes. Throughout the process, don't hesitate to explore different sections of the site. Each section offers distinct functionalities aimed at optimizing your web hosting experience. Experimenting with these can lead to discovering new ways to enhance your site's performance or aesthetics. If you ever feel overwhelmed, remember, help is just a click away. The support section of Hostinger is loaded with resources and expert assistance ready to guide you. This can make troubleshooting any issues much easier, ensuring you get the most from your services. As you wrap up your session, make sure to log out if you're on a shared or public device. It's a simple step that helps secure your account and keep your information safe. That's it for today's guide on navigating Hostinger. With these steps, you now have a solid foundation to explore all the tools and opportunities this platform has to offer. Stay curious and don't be afraid to dive deeper into the features that intrigue you. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.